Video, I'm going to share my ride on Waymo. So Waymo is the another robotaxi, but this is the one that's completely driverless, and this was in LA. So Waymo is there are lots of Waymos running on the road. So if you can see, that's how it looks from outside, and it's just like they will be on the road with everybody else, other traffic, and people are slowly getting comfortable. When I did a Waymo ride, and when I was also in Uber, I saw how comfortable everybody was. So then again on the app, I went ahead and I ordered and ride, and it showed me how far it was. So it says about 11 minutes away, and then slowly it comes and it stops itself, parks itself. I get unlock it from my app, and then once I unlock it, I can sit inside, and then I can close the door. It automatically locks it, and then from inside, this is how it looks. So basically, you see, this is completely driverless. So I'm sitting on the back, and there is this map. It shows me the whole path, but it's kind of a little bit scary. But if you can see, we could change the music. We could. There's also an option for button, like you can call support. You can also pull over if you're not comfortable. And then at any time in your ride, you can check the status through the app. So I was going to Tesla Diner, so I wanted to see how far it is, and
No
it shows
left.
me the distance, and it was pretty I was pretty impressed with it, because if you can see, it's able to figure out
Wait,
again the red light, and here there's no driver, so it's taking a left turn,
scary.
and it does stop
That's
when
scary.
there is somebody else on
You
the
gotta
road,
trust that on it.
and it lets other cars pass. And it also sometimes, there was one case where there was a car in front of us which was about to take a left turn, so it did not just wait there. It was able to detect, there's no traffic on the right, and then it went into the right lane, and then it passed the car which was about to take a left turn. So it was very nice and smooth ride, and Waymos have become really popular. You see here, it was taking a right turn, and there was a kid. It stopped for the kid, so it was very comfortable. And then once it's almost when we are ready to get out, it gives you message that, okay, be ready for your trip is about to be over, you have 1 minute
We still
left,
have a whole
make
minute.
sure that you have your belongings, and then make sure that
Bro.
you're ready
For your
to
safety,
step
the
out,
doors will
and
remain
then it will
locked
give
when
you
we
some
arrive.
instructions, how to
Pull the
open
handle
door.
twice to exit.
And
The
once
first pull
we
unlocks.
just
The
have to
second
follow that,
opens the
and then
door.
once you get out of the car, it will slowly
Almost there. Don't forget your phone,
go towards
keys,
whatever
or
next
wallet.
destination. So very, very
Oh my
smooth,
god, they're here.
wonderful technology, and
This is just
I
the
cannot
diner.
tell how impressed I was
Well,
sitting in a driverless car, and feeling so comfortable. So this is the world
this
that
is called
You're
which we
here.
are
Please
going
make
to
sure
live
it's
in.
clear before exiting.